This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Alyssa Need. Great home with a spectacular view. This 3-bedroom home has hardwood flooring, quartz counters, large windows, and spacious living and dining area. The primary suite features a walk-in closet, private bath and sliding glass door to deck. Split bedroom floor plan has an oversized second bedroom with stunning views. Guest bath features a jetted tub. Well-designed kitchen has excellent quartz counter and storage space plus breakfast nook with view. The deck features a retractable awning and runs across the back of the house. There is also a heated and cooled office space, tons of storage and half bath on the lower level. Garage was fitted with heat and cooling this past year, painted and new flooring to make an excellent craft room or workshop area.